Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Fola. Today's tutorial will be on how to cut a collar, and before you can do that, make sure your front piece and your back piece, that is the front bodies and the back bodies, are joined together at the shoulders, as you can see. So the neck width I use is 3 inches, while the neck depth for the front is 3 inches as well, and the neck depth for the back is 1 inch. So the first thing you are going to do is to measure around your neckline, starting from the opening at the front, round the back to the other side of the front. As you can see me do, you measure around your neckline accurately. Make sure you measure this neckline very well, because that will determine how well your collar will come out. So here I have 20 inches, as you can see. So the next thing I'll do is to get the pieces for the collar. So I have the pieces right here, 2 pieces of fabric. And the measurement I have here for the width is 4 inches. And for the length is 21 inches. That is the measurement around your neckline plus extra 1 inch. So this is inclusive of ½ inch for seam allowance all around the collar. So the next thing I will do now is to fold it again. Can you see? Fold it into 4. And from the upper part, measure 2½ inches, as you can see me do, and then roll it into a straight line. Now the upper part is the collar, while the lower part is the collar stand. Now at this point, this part, you come in by 1½ inches and make a curve to the collar stand, as you can see me do, and then rule your slant line. Rule a slant line to the collar itself, to the end of the collar. Can you see? And then the next thing you do is to cut it out. So that is that, and then the next thing is to iron my stay on it. I will iron my stay on both piece of fabric and then fold in ½ inch. ½ inch, that will be the seam allowance. So I've done that here guys. I've ironed my stay on it and also fold in ½ inch on both sides. So the next thing I will do now is to join the 2 pieces together. Now when you are joining the 2 pieces together, make sure the collar stand, the folded part of the collar stand is still folded, while the folded part of the collar itself, while you are running your stitch, make sure it's not folded, as you can see me do here. So I've done that, you can see. So this is the collar stand. You can see the opening, and you can see the collar itself at the upper part closed. So the next thing now is to trim off the excess, or you notch it. So I'm trimming off the excess right here, so that by the time I turn it to the right side, it will not be buggy. And make sure you give your collar a very good press. Iron it very well. Can you see? So now I'll turn it to the right side. And also make sure the edges are out, as you can see me do. Make sure you bring out all the edges. So the next thing I'll do now is to take my neckline, bring back my bodice and fix my neckline into the collar stand. As you can see me do, you can pin it down before you run your stitch on it. Can you see? So I'll go and run my stitch on it. Can you see I've done that? And also fix the collar Can you see how beautiful it looks? It is very easy. So that's the right side. This is the right side. Can you see how easy it is? So that is how to make your collar. So this is the wrong side. Can you see how neat it looks? So guys, just give your collar a very good press and your collar is ready. So guys, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. If this tutorial has been helpful, kindly give this video a giant thumbs up and also share. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do that now. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe. Also turn on the post notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you guys for joining me. I will see you in my next video. Bye.